Armor Express, KDH Defense, life-saving armor systems to keep our protectors safe. Here in Eden, North Carolina, we manufacture both soft and hard armor systems for America's protectors. Over the past decade, we've produced thousands of systems for the Army, Marines, Navy, federal and domestic law enforcement, and America's allies. All large volume orders are done in Eden, where we boast 115,000 square feet of manufacturing capacity and the latest innovative equipment. We take pride in what we do. For every stitch, every material, every process is about saving lives. In Central Lake, Michigan, we house our ballistic research laboratory, working with our partners to test the very latest materials in order to develop the lightest, most flexible armor packages designed to exceed NIJ, FBI, and DEA protocols, and various special threats based on each user's mission-critical requirements. Wear tests, returns, alterations, and prototype development is done here, as well as in Eden, with a focus on lightening the load of our protectors. By leveraging our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, supported by our manufacturing, supply chain, and key technology partners, we possess the solutions and scale to meet all customer requirements. Safety, quality, innovation, and performance. These are the pillars that drive our success and motivate our employees. Every employee of Armor Express takes pride in knowing the work they do brings our protectors home safe. There are no shortcuts. To serve the best, you need to be at your best. Innovation never stops. From soft armor ballistics, hard armor plates, helmets, and shields, those on the battlefront and on the street need to know the systems they are wearing will keep them safe. We recently opened an office in Arlington, Virginia to be closer to our customers, the DoD and federal agencies we proudly serve.